Hi, I'm Louise. Welcome back to the next episode of the Serenity, the Wellbeing series at the Datai. Sound healing is a special technique that treats balance, emotional and mental aspects of the body. Christina uses singing bowls, of which around one person she'll use 7 bowls, and this can treat anxiety, insomnia and depression by sending waves through the body. I think her one-to-one therapy is the most popular, and I think for that reason is because she has time to spend with that one particular person. She puts the bowls on them, she puts the bowls around them, and the vibrations of the bowls works through the body to restore balance. She brings something different to the Serenity series at the Datai.
Hello, I'm Christina Shiu. I come from Singapore. I'm a singing bowl practitioner. Singing bowl therapy can help people in many ways. The sound and vibrations from the singing bowl actually interact with us physically, mentally, emotionally, and also it helps to balance and cleanse our energy field. Singing bowl sound healing therapy work according to the idea of that everything is energy and everything is vibrations. When we play the singing bowls, it generates lots of sound and vibration. And this sound and vibration has a special quality that helps to bring our whole being back to the balanced state. Physically, mentally, emotionally, and our overall general energy well-being. Yes, so we can actually place the singing bowl on the body, and then this vibration from the singing bowl actually will penetrate deep inside our body. It is because more than 70% of our body is water, and it is a very good conductive media for vibrations to travel through our body. When these vibrations ripple through our body, we feel relaxed. And this vibration also helps us to ease tensions in our different systems. For example, our skeletal system, muscle system, and also our meridian system and chakra system. So my advice to everyone is we need to be aware of our anxiety or stress level, and also aware of our energy level. We need to offload these unseen stress factors from us. We call this energy cleansing. Yes, so when we clear away this heaviness around us, this energy field around us, we'll feel lighter, we'll feel more motivated, and we feel better mental clarity. And you can be more yourself.